Hello friends and welcome to my channel Tarun Agya What the Tech, where you get updated on the latest technology videos around the world. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get yourself updated on the latest technology videos and trends going around the world. Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about technology last week. So majorly what we're going to talk about all the updates that have come up in the technology world last week in terms of mobile phones, cameras, anything in the technology space. So let's start off. The first update comes from Huawei, who have actually handed out 10,000 mAh power bricks to Apple users. Yes, you heard it right. On 21st of September, in Singapore, outside the Apple store, there was a huge queue to buy Apple XS or XS Max. And Huawei, what they did was they handed out free 10,000 mAh power bricks to the users, and there were 200 in numbers, but it said clearly you will need it. So it's a classic trolling exercise in the physical space and going away with the trolling from the social space. The second update is from the company GoPro. They've recently launched Hero 7 Black Edition. Now Hero 7 Black Edition is an updated version of Hero 7, which was the last generation. The Black Edition comes with the optical stabilization, which is really smooth. They call it hyper smooth stabilization. You can look at the images and the video quality, it's really superb. The second update in Hero 7 Black Edition is the voice quality of recording has gone really high. You don't need external mics on Hero 7 Black Edition now. The optical image stabilization is out of this world. You don't need gimbals to just get a stabilized image of your physical activity. But you can connect your Hero 7 Black Edition to your mobile phones and you can do a live streaming to Instagram or YouTube. The third update comes from Alexa or Amazon, I would say. Now Amazon has declared that in their partnership with Microsoft, Alexa powered devices would be actually able to do Skype calls. So you just have to say, I want to Skype call this person, and there would be a Skype call. So all the Alexa powered devices, be it video or only audio, Skype calls would be coming to their devices. And let's talk about another company that is OnePlus 6. Now OnePlus 6 has recently launched the Android Pie version update for their Oxygen OS. Pretty late, I know, but they have done it just prior to launching OnePlus 6T, which is due on 20th of October. Now OnePlus 6T has been going through different leaks on the online world. There was a recent ad by Amitabh Bachchan showing off the new OnePlus 6T, but in the actual video you can see that there is no fingerprint scanner on the back. So either OnePlus has gone with the variant where they are actually looking at in-screen fingerprint scanner, or they're going to go the Apple way of totally getting rid of it. I don't think they would get rid of it because OnePlus has not mastered the Face ID or face scanning technology as Apple has. October 22nd marks a significant day in terms of Android. October 22nd, 2008 was a date when the first Android powered device HTC G1 was launched. That was my first Android powered device that I also use. I bought it in India and it was imported from US. It was a T-Mobile powered device, pretty snappy. In 2008 when I used to carry it, people used to think it's a Chinese phone because the form factor was huge. It had a slide kick and a proper keyboard attached to it. 88% of today's devices are powered by Android, and Google is celebrating this. So the next update comes from Xiaomi. Now the Mi UI is pushing a lot of ads and junk ads to your device, which is not a very optimal way of saying it's a good experience, but yes, that's how they are also making money in terms of giving you a cheaper device and making money in terms of pushing ads to the systems. The last update comes from a company called Samsung. You remember a video that I created in the past about comparing Xiaomi products, the Poco F1 with the Note 9. Now the Note 9 is back in news again, but not in a good way. Just like its predecessor Note 7, Xiaomi devices in Australia exploded. and the person who was using it has filed a suit against Samsung, and Samsung has said that it is one of in a case where the device has exploded, and they're going to look into the matter and see where the problem was. Lithium ion powered batteries are usually quite unstable. Till we get another alternative, we have to live by the lithium ion way, but it can happen in any phone, be it Samsung, be it iPhone, or be it Xiaomi. So that's it for me today. I'll see you in the next episode. Uh, do hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.